guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so for the match we will play with West Ham ahead of that match, so after that when they do press conference. So after that when they talk about the influence of Declan Rice since he joined Arsenal. So after that when they talk, say Declan Rice has been consistent for us, especially in big games, and responding to those who they call for Declan Rice to wear the captain armband, but they collect them from Odegaard hand. So Baba they explain, say as Declan Rice did, I say he don't be captain for youth level and he don't be captain for West Ham, he doesn't need an armband to actually lead. You get, when he speaks, people listen and pay attention. She be like the thing me I dey talk in there that day when who even mentioned that we don't have Repalo Abina Emmanuel Petit. I can't even remember the Arsenal legend. We made that suggestion. What can they talk say? You don't really need that armband to show say yes I'm a leader. You can be very vocal. Like people go to see the attributes for your body. You go to lead, they explain, they tell people do this, do that. Hey, look at that. So now just the reality of it, and now what's not that second they explain, say, come on man, you don't really need that armband to actually show say you be one of the leaders. Even they ask Ateta, say whether in time go to show say they fit give Declan Rice the armband. They say why not? Saying that the qualities, the skills, and everything they need it takes to give the guy the armband. Just say go dey very awkward. Say person just come ask now, I never take, you just want to give an armband. No, you get. So we get leaders here already. God bless, maybe we don't get any leader at all. But just good to say at least the guy they gets all the accolades, because like Ateta said, he has been consistent in the big games since when Declan Rice don't come here. How many times he don't get injured, he miss like 1, 2, 3 matches. So those are the things we are talking about. He get a clean bill of health, and that's what he don't be for West Ham. When he was playing at West Ham, he rarely gets injured. He say he will miss games. Now one of the consistent performances, we say he will go the entire season, play so many games for you, and I just dey happy so we get somebody like that. Alright, so as I make a lesson, I go say IFA don't postpone the blue card trial. Say they will leave them until when they do their general meeting for March. They will discuss on the blue card again. I believe it's that because of the pushback, because of the backlash where fans, football fans, they give them, not just football fans, both pundits, both coaches, people, a lot of people they against that blue card day. So probably they won't rethink it, because really waiting the blue card, like which mischief or which problem is that blue card coming to solve? Because all the things you want to solve, yellow card they there. If you do something where they bad, when no they too bad, yellow card will be given to you. If you do something where they very bad, red card will be given to you. So what is the blue card coming to? Just won't complicate matters just because they use the blue card for rugby. So rugby and contact sport will say enough giddy body there. So anything you do bad, they just put you out for the time for outside for like 10 minutes. So they won't come copy that model. Forget to say this is not the same sport. Rugby is different from football, so the application will differ. So well, they say they go after their general meeting for March. IFAB will decide whether they will still go ahead with the blue card or maybe they will leave things the way it stands. Alright, so when they do their meeting, I will let you know what they talk. Alright, so we're going to check one statistics where they show say Ateta subs, the substitutes where Ateta they make for matches, now be the most effective for EPL this season. Like Ateta subs don't combine a lot to score goals or give assists. For you to know, say when it comes to making substitutes, making changes when they get effect on the game, Ateta number 1 gets from these statistics. Now Arsenal now even post that statistics for Twitter. So when I see them, I be very impressed. Because they analyze Arsenal set piece goals, Arsenal score 14 goals through set piece this season. So that's something they say myself. I be very proud of our team. For those who say Ateta na baby coach, I think I'm sabi, I think now don't they see what the statistics they talk about. So let's proceed. Alright, so do you know, say West Ham will be the next opposition won't play for the London Stadium. They are winless in 6 games. In fact, since when they beat Arsenal 2-0, I think that was in December or thereabouts, they never win any other game again. They don't play 6 games, they don't draw 4, lose 2. So now when we say when they meet them, they are not really informed. So they be more or less when they talk tough, one talk say it will make sense, make them reignite their game. And one of the reasons we make them get all this bad run of form now because Lucas Paqueta got injured and it's like the engine house of the team. So and Kudus can't go AFCON, so it probably affected their momentum. I know say they don't bring in Calvin Phillips, and they will more going to say 2 years ago Calvin Phillips and Declan Rice were on the same level, but because of his lack of playing time at the Man City, so now we don't come West Ham, they will give him more playing time so that he will come close to Declan Rice level, because 2 years ago there was no difference between Declan Rice and Calvin Phillips. Well, what they see now, tomorrow be our own match and then Man City and Everton. Then go play 1:30 Nigerian time today. Then I think Liverpool go play Burnley also today. So we will go chill, we'll relax, we can't see what them play. You get, so we wait till anyone will sleep up. We did there to make sure say we capitalize. Alright, so Peter Crouch can also come and say, you see this season, we've got an intriguing title race on our hands. Saying they back Liverpool, you get, to win the title. But at the same time, Arsenal still have a fighting chance to actually win this title because Arsenal are a good side. On their day, they can beat anybody. Now, what Peter Crouch talk, Arsenal, they can beat anybody on their day. Okay, so nobody, they don't fear anybody. And if they go further, when they talk, say, why they say anything that Teta does, people they scrutinize them to the lowest level. For example, this celebration matter. Say you're going club, you don't see club many times do more than what Teta do, but people as like maybe they're happy with your club, like they like him personality. I don't just know, say they like him. Anything they do, nobody they really scrutinize him. Even Pep self don't celebrate more than Arteta, but whatever Arteta does, even though you know don't reach the level of all those Pep and club, they will still look for a way to bring him down. So like I don't know, say no understand. There's something about Arteta that winds up people. Now what thing they talk about? Say there's something about him. Maybe because they don't like Arsenal, and in fact say they help Arsenal do good things. Probably that is why they don't like him, or maybe they don't just like his face, or maybe they don't just like his personality. Like because the things Arteta they do not the same, they reinvent the wheel. He's doing what other people have done more and more times. But if he do and they go criticize him, if other people do and they go say his passion, he's showing emotion. But if Arteta do and he's immature, wow, what a disgrace. Alright, so Jack Wilshere will be all those under 19th coach, the youth coach for Arsenal. Come and say Mario Kozia-Dubry, we then promote to the first team. Say the guy they play like Bukayo Saka, very good, very fast, very pacey. But the only problem with the guy gets now be decision making. They're saying to know how to make decisions quickly, because if you give him ball, maybe don't dribble who you want dribble, then are you going to cross, are you going to square play? Like know what to do with the ball as you get the ball, know what to do with it sharp. Okay, so that's the difference between him and Bukayo Saka. So with time, he will refine all those attributes, because Saka way they see today, once upon a time when he starts, it wasn't as good as the way he is today. It wasn't as reliable for Arsenal, but this is over time he's going to develop, because everybody see they learn. Okay, so as they grow for life, we learn the more. So they believe say the guy get bright future. Now we say don't promote him, but not to promote him with the team. Are you going to give him game time? Even if not 10 minutes, 15 minutes, make him play, cameo appearances. Let us see what he brings to the team. Alright, so Dimitri Berbatov himself come and say the Arsenal versus West Ham game. Say the game will be tight. Will be somehow tight. But when they say Arsenal winning 2-1, you get say at the same time Arsenal will watch Liverpool and Man City to see whether they will do mistakes today. Get anybody will do mistakes. Sometimes they good. Make all your rivals first two play so that you go dey back, they observe them. If they win, you go know say okay, we must win this match. If they draw or lose, you go know say okay, we must win this match. Either way, you must win your match. Okay? So it makes sense. Make you watch them, because now so footballers they do. So you know my people go say, we don't really watch that game. Now lie. So all of them go they watch TV, they observe. Just like myself, they observe. If Everton first knock Man City, oh man, and I go say the match go sweet to watch, you go find chairs sit down. But then you make Man City equalize, but some people they lose momentum, but some go say okay, what could they see whether going for draw? But then Man City don't knock 2 out, on have to off TV, nothing to watch again. The match go be boring, you don't go get appetite to watch the match again. So now so it be general that the boys will be watching TV, monitor the games, and this will make those ones draw points. They go they gingered up, okay, say today match, we'll finish there. Alright, just like Berbatov, so Paul Messin also come and talk say Arsenal will beat West Ham 2-1. In fact, So this match is like a must win. Arsenal cannot afford to drop points in this match. It is impossible because of the pressure on Arsenal. They must win this one set because the historical data waiting for this match last 3 times we never beat West Ham. So and West Ham don't know they inform. But the team is say if they meet their mates, they don't go they inform. But if they meet us, they'll come aside. West Ham don't beat Arsenal this season, beat Man U, I think beat Spurs or Chelsea. They beat 3 of those big teams. So against us today, Moyes on the top say they would like to beat us to reignite their season. Well, let's see what happens. Alright, so I think when they talk about Thomas Partey, whether they ask and say Alpha, what's the sub? No say this guy don't recover before, all of a sudden I tell us say he don't go back to injury. So can you update? Give us the updates more on what's the sub. So I think when they explain say Thomas Partey is progressing very well. But it's too soon to tell when he will be back. But his progress is going well. I know some person don't go long-term injury like that. When you come back, it's more easier to go back to. Look at Thiago Alcantara of Liverpool. We don't dey out for 10 months. He come back against Arsenal, play 5 minutes. That 5 minutes when he play, he get another muscle injury. We can take and go back again. So now maybe now the same way happened to Thomas Partey. They did like that. That this Timber gone, I just play. If Timber come back, make him no just go back to injury. See Kevin De Bruyne, I don't come back, don't stay. Then they fit, when they play. So we expect our own players to come back and play very well for us. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. You see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.